Tanvir, how are you?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. I'm fine.
Okay. So first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Sir, I am Karanveer Singh. I am from Sagar, MP. I have completed my schooling from Sagar itself, and I have completed my graduations in Indore. I have completed my bachelor's in civil engineering, and also I have been keen in participating in college activities and various management events in my college in my college tenure. And after that, I came back to Sagar due to some family reasons, and there I started my own coaching, and I have been
Okay.
teaching the students from 8 to 10 class. And also, my aunt and my uncle are running a coaching institute as they are teachers, and I also help them in bringing students and from from advertising and bringing the students to them.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
So, like Tanvir, I want to know from you that why do you want to go in sales profile as you are an engineer, right? So you have ample
Yes,
options
sir.
in your domain, right? So why do you want to make a switch in a sales domain?
Yes, sir. As I said that uh, I am from a small town, Sagar, and here when I was in 12th, many people have less options, and engineering was one of them. As I have taken maths and science in 11th class, so engineering was only the option, and that time my parents also agreed on the fact that you should go for engineering. Uh, then I went and I completed it, and while doing engineering, I was in third year. In starting, I recognized that I have took part in various events for college, and also that for promoting the event for my college, I was the face, and I have worked in sales field for a long. And then as I came back to Sagar, I also was connected to the sales field, marketing field. So I am interested to make my career in sales.
Okay. So what do you know about the job role of BDA? What a BDA does exactly?
Yeah, BDA. The work of BDA is to connect to the pitched clients and sell our product and bring profit to the company.
Okay. So I want to
Yes,
know that tell me three benefits of the Unacademy application and three
yes, sir.
negative points of the application.
Sir, benefits of Unacademy app is basically Unacademy applications. Unacademy as a organization give uh, the study material for competitive exams, which
Okay.
no other platform is giving, like SSC, railways, etc. And second
Okay.
advantage is that it provides a platform, a online platform through which we can any student can learn uh, sitting from anywhere in the country. And third, as we know that in this COVID situation, there we are not going too many places. Like many people go to Delhi for preparation, many people go for other states. So an academy uh, give us the benefit to study from anywhere. These are the
Okay.
plus points,
And
and
three
we can
minus
study
points.
24/7. Three minus points are I don't think in this COVID era we have negative points in
Okay.
an academy.
Okay. So if I
Yes,
like to add some unique points, if I ask you to add some unique point, because these all
yes,
points
sir.
which you mentioned right now, these all the
Yes, sir.
applications is having, be it
Yes,
Byju, be it Vedantu, all the applications are having same features, almost similar features. So I want to know some unique features. You can give me one or two unique
yes, sir.
features of Unacademy that is Unacademy exclusive.
Yes, sir. Sir, as you said that all other platforms are providing the same thing. I know all the platforms are best in their own way, but in an academy we provide mainly the main focus of Unacademy is on the competitive exams. So the competitive exams, this is the unique platform. If anybody from India wants to prepare for competitive exams by sitting in home or sitting home and know where to go, we can prepare through Unacademy. This is the unique point, I think.
But all the apps might be having the same features, right? If you are telling about preparing from home, right? So all the
Yes, sir.
applications available in market, they are giving the opportunity to prepare from home only, right? Right now, due
Yes,
to
sir.
COVID situation, no one is allowing to go outside, right? So all the applications are working on the same module. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
being a customer, if I tell you, if I ask you that why I should go for Unacademy, I am having Byju as an option, right? I'm having Vedantu as an option. Then why to choose Unacademy? Then how will you tackle this?
Yes, sir. There are definitely many options, and in Unacademy we have the best teachers here, and we also give you like 1 month of trial period, so that you can understand Unacademy, and you can also understand through which teachers you want to learn from. Yes, sir. This only.
So are you telling that you are giving options to select teachers?
Yes, sir. If there are many teachers and many experienced teachers in Unacademy, so we
No,
give you.
I got your point. Suppose if I am
Yes,
buying
sir.
Unacademy, so will I
Yes,
have a
sir.
list of teachers through which I can select one that I want to study maths from this, science from this,
Yes,
like this? Do you have this
yes, sir.
feature?
Sure. Yes, sir. Sure. Every subject
Okay.
you will have.
Okay. So I'll choose my teacher, right? You'll give me the list of teachers and I'll choose my teacher, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the whole concept, right?
Yes, sir. And also you
Okay.
can choose, like uh, our other students also give reviews about the teachers, and you can also choose, like uh, by reading the reviews of the teachers.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. So my next question to you is: suppose if you are having a child of class 1, 2, or 3, okay, for
Yes, sir.
which you are
Yes,
not
sir.
providing the study material as of now, or the
Yes, sir.
platform is not built for them. Okay. Suppose if a
Yes,
parent
sir.
come of class 2 student or class 1 student, because I want to start my child's career in online platform. Okay. So I'll
Yes, sir.
definitely buy some application. Okay. Be it Byju's, be it any application, right?
Yes, sir.
But you don't have same features. So what you will suggest
Yes.
him? What to do in that case?
Sir, as I know that Unacademy is not providing like these classes from one to small classes, but as a organization, we have learned that there is a need of this classes from 1 to 8 or 1 to 6. So we are starting teaching from 1 to 6 also. So our as we have not started it, we are starting after one or 1.5 months. So I can give you some discount on the for pre-registration or something like that. So have you can register yourself then, and as we will provide course, we will give you discount, and which will be different from others.
No, I understand, but why to waste
Okay.
1 month, right? Because right now you
Yes, sir.
don't have. You will be having after 1.5 months or 2 months might be, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
why to waste time? Why should I waste my child's time to wait for your application to launch all these classes? I have options, multiple options, right? So I
Yes,
should
sir.
go for that, right? I won't be giving much time to all these things.
Yes. Sir, it is as you as you are willing to spend money, and I think it is better option to spend money or invest in some application which is good enough, and you can have your lifetime subscription till your student reaches class 12. And also, for if he wants to prepare something, as you see this app as a future of your student, you must select this.
Okay, cool. So my
Yes, sir.
next question to you is, okay, I have seen ads of Byju's, right? Because I have seen
Yes, sir.
Byju's everywhere. In Indian cricket
Yes,
jersey
sir.
also Byju's is there. Shah Rukh Khan is promoting Byju's. Okay, so there are multiple sources which are promoting Byju's, right? So I
Yes,
have
sir.
made my mind to take Byju's because of by
Yes,
seeing
sir.
all these things. Okay, but you have
Yes,
to
sir.
convert my mindset to take Unacademy. How will you convert it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you said that Byju's is doing a proper marketing, and yes, I know that you have seen Byju's everywhere. But in an academy, in an academy, you will get a unique experience for a complete package of student from class 1 to when till the student gets a job, till the
Okay.
job preparation. Okay,
Okay.
so it is a unique platform, and we can say that we have best teachers and best mentors and best career counselors in an academy
Everyone
that
says
will
the
lead.
same thing. Byju's says
Yes,
that they have the best. Everyone says I have best teachers. Okay,
yes, sir.
there's nothing new in this saying best teachers because every app
Yes,
will say the same thing that we have the
yes, sir.
best. We give the best, right? So
Yes,
I
sir.
want to know that what is unique because see, I haven't seen your ads. Okay, there are very limited ads of yours which come in TV or anywhere, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have not seen you promoting an academy anywhere. Okay, no big
Yes, sir.
celebrity is a brand ambassador of an academy, right? So how can I
Yes, sir.
trust an academy? Because see, if we see a actor or some celebrity promoting some application, then we are convinced that okay, if he's promoting it, this might be a good application. If we see the name in Indian cricket jersey, then we get to know
Yes,
that
sir.
okay, this app is doing a great thing. That's why it has reached there because that is a big thing to reach, right? So I
Yes,
haven't
sir.
seen any promotion of yours. Okay, I
Yes, sir.
just have heard your name. That's all. So just by listening to a name, how can I make my mind to go to a application to buy a application?
Yes, sir, definitely. But as an academy, you can also means read the reviews and various like success stories of an academy. If you will like, I will share to you sometime. But we have very much higher success stories, and also that we provide various different unique topics to study on.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
sir. Okay.
Okay, suppose if I am a customer and I am using Byju's from last 6 months. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I am happy with Byju's. Everything is good. Teachers are good. Study is good. My child is doing very good
Okay,
in
sir.
studies. Okay, now you have to convert me to Unacademy. You have to
Yes.
convince me to leave Byju's and take Unacademy. In that case, how
Yes.
will you convince me?
Yes, sir. May I know, sir, what problem you have? You any problem if you are facing from Byju's?
So Byju's, everything is good actually. Everything is
Okay.
pretty fine. Things are going
Okay, sir.
fine. Just I have one issue of mentor because see,
Okay, sir.
like mentors are not contactable every time. Okay, so we
Okay,
have
sir.
to wait for some scheduled time to contact mentor. But see,
Yes,
I
sir.
tell you one thing very honestly. Like there is an issue with mentor, but my child is doing well. He was
Okay, sir.
like obtaining 75%, 70%. Okay, before taking
Okay, sir.
Byju's. But now he is
Okay, sir.
obtaining 90%.
Okay, sir.
95% after taking Byju's. Okay, there's a
Okay,
drastic
sir.
change in him after taking Byju's. So
Okay,
that
sir.
is the reason I don't want to make a switch.
Okay, sir. Then in an academy, as you told that there is a small mental problem about that. So first of all, I will resolve this issue that in an academy, as such, there is no such complaint regarding an academy of mentor issues, and our mentors are available 24/7. And if you contact them, they will reply or contact you back within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We have a rule in our organization, and
Okay.
also we believe in that. For as a father or as a parent, you should have a mentor to mentor that the your student from whom he is being taught. You have a full authority to talk to the mentor of your student. So this is our rule which in our organization. Also, if other than that, we are having a plan, or we are having a subscription that if you are changing the platform and coming to Unacademy, then we will provide special discount and also EMI offers for the same. And I certain you that we can and your student will perform more well than
Okay,
that.
cool.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, so now we'll have some academic questions. Okay, so
Okay,
my
sir.
first question to you is: suppose if I am keeping a plant in my room, okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
I am giving it everything, sunlight, water, oxygen, everything, okay, but will photosynthesis happen in my room? Because see, in outside we are giving it sunlight, but in my room I am taking a bulb of the same energy, okay, and I am
Okay,
giving
sir.
the same energy to the plant, okay. So my question to you is: will the process happen of to the plant or not in my room?
Yes, sir, definitely. But there are we have to study main thing, the plant type, and because that nowadays many interior many uh, f- gardening in a home is also going on. It is going on through this process, but only like right thing on right place will do a thing.
No, see, because see, I asked you a
Yes,
question because we all know that if we keep the plant in sunlight, then they can
yes,
make
sir.
their food, right? Then they
Yes,
can
sir.
survive. Plant can grow
Yes,
well, it can give you everything. Okay. But
yes,
if
sir.
I'm keeping it in my room and I'm
Yes,
giving
sir.
it the
Yes.
same energy from the bulb, okay, whatever energy
Yes, sir.
sun is giving, I am giving the same energy from the bulb. Okay. So will
Yes,
they
sir.
be able to make their food or will the plant grow in my room or not? That is my question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, it will grow. If you, if like, if like bulb is very close to the plant, it will get extra heat and it will damage. But it's kept at a distance, like we have studied and kept it, then it is good and it will grow.
Okay. Okay. Do
Yes.
you know which vitamin plants like sun emit?
Yes, sir. Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. So can the
Yes.
bulb give the vitamin D to the plants?
Uh, Sir, actually, plants did not need vitamin D to grow their food. It is a
So why
process
do
called photosynthesis.
we keep plants in sunlight? If vitamin D
Yes,
is not required, then why sunlight is
yes.
needed for growing a plant?
So,
Why do we say that keep the
sun
plant in sunlight?
sunlight is a natural way. If you have like 100 plants in your house, and you want to give artificial sunlight to 100 plants in your house, then it will cost you more. But it's a natural a natural thing to give a plant sunlight, and also a cost saving effort. Like
Okay.
if there are various organizations which are keeping growing all these foods inside the house also, but as they are a business organization, but as a house we not keep every plant in artificial sunlight.
Okay, cool. My next question
Okay,
to
sir.
you is: what is the difference between ratio and fraction?
Yes, sir. Sir, ratio we can ratio is like if 3 to 4 people are sitting and we have to divide something in same uh, for same type, then we use ratio. And fraction is a divisible division of numbers.
Division of
Numbers
numbers.
like, yes, sir. If we want to divide numbers like 1/2 example, 1 is a numerator, we divide it by 2, then it is a fraction.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, so why the color of grass is green?
Color of grass is green. Okay, sir. First of all, green color from an plant comes from the substance present called chlorophyll, and
Okay,
the and also, yes, sir, grass is green because of chlorophyll.
because of chlorophyll.
Yes, sir. Any plant is green because of chlorophyll, and if if what if you are asking that why we see green color, like
Yes.
or
Why we are able to see green color? Why we
okay,
don't
sir.
see red, yellow, blue color?
Okay, okay, sir. So green color, we any color which we see is like which color we see in the object is not is only reflected by, and others are absorbed by that object. For example, in black color, we will see black color because it absorbs all the 7 colors of the all the 7 colors of Vibgyor.
Okay.
And if anything is green, then except green will reflect and all other colors will absorb.
Okay, there is one
Okay.
color which is called the opaque color, from which light cannot pass. Which color
Okay,
is
sir.
that?
Opaque color. Sorry,
Yes.
sir, I don't know that. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Okay. How the rainbow is formed?
Rainbow is formed by a process called refraction of light. When a the white light comes comes in contact with water droplets. Water droplets acts as a prism, and the prism deflects, like water droplet deflects the white light into 7 colors, and so the rainbow is formed. 7 colors are form of Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, red, orange.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to know that as a customer, I am complaining to you that see,
Yes.
I am using Unacademy from few months. Okay. But whatever features I was getting in Byju, because of you, I made a switch to Unacademy. Okay. Because you
Okay,
told
sir.
me it is a good application. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
Byju is having knowledge graph kind of thing. Okay. It is
Okay,
having
sir.
a Disney linked up thing kind of thing, from which we can see everything in much moderated way. Okay. Because see, Disney is good in cartoons. Okay. So Disney is giving a world class cartoon kind of understanding. Okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
in your application, I'm not able to see all these things. I'm not able to see knowledge graph kind of thing. Okay. I can't see
Okay.
attractive cartoon kind of understanding. Okay. So I have all this issue with your application.
Yes.
So now how will you tackle this situation?
Okay, sir. I am, sir, first of all, I am grateful that you're sharing your feedback. And may I know if any other problem you are having from Unacademy except this?
No, like as of now, I'm having all these problems only.
Okay. So it is good to know that. And I will share a news from our Unacademy that after 1.5 weeks, we are tying up. We have already tied up with Pixar and other animation creators, and we will be going through their demo, and we will be soon passing it to information of them to you. And they are currently preparing best visual experiences, so that we can give your child that, and you will know in coming week. Then we will provide that feature to you.
Okay. My next
Okay.
question to you is, suppose you are coming to my house to sell your application. Okay.
Okay.
And I am rigid that I want some discount on your application. But
Okay,
as
sir.
per the company's policy, you are not able to give me discount, even of a single penny. Okay. But I
Okay,
am
sir.
rigid. If I won't get discount, I won't take the application. As simple as that. Okay. So
Okay.
now how will you stop me to get discount, and how will you sell me the application?
Okay, sir. Sir, as we know, the company policy is of like, if you are taking a course on EMI or something, then you will not get discount. But I think if you pay in cash, we will have some discount. In a
Okay.
single
So
installment,
after,
you will pay them.
okay, I got your point. I am paying in
Okay, sir.
cash, but whatever
Okay.
discount you are giving me, I am asking for more discount. Suppose if
Okay,
in
sir.
cash, suppose I'll give you an example. Suppose the course is of 1 lakh rupees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay.
after discount, you are giving me on 80K.
Okay.
Okay. But now I am asking to give in 70K. My point is, give
Okay.
me this course in 70K. I won't be paying more
Okay.
than 70K. I'll pay the amount
Okay.
in cash right now.
Okay, sir.
So now will you give me the
Oh,
discount or not?
okay, sir. As you know that our company policy does not allow this more than this discount on cash. We
No,
will
I don't
provide
know.
you.
I
Okay, sir.
don't know.
Okay, sir. I know you. Okay, sir. But we can provide you small a more service than your package. Like your package is about sixth class. The sixth class package is about 80,000 you have purchased. Then I will I will provide you the special test series which we are having, which we charge about 10,000 rupees, and special test series also, which will be included in your course for free. And in this test series, you can compete your students with different the toppers of our Unacademy, which you can compete through DRAM only. It is a premium course which we generally charge 10,000, but you can get it for free.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
So my next question to you is, why don't you have any celebrity as a brand ambassador of your brand?
Okay, sir. Why, sir? We as of now we have no celebrity advertising for Unacademy, but we in coming time we are contacting to some of our main educators, and the main educational team is contacting them, and we are working on it.
Okay. My next question to you is, suppose if I am using Unacademy for like 15 days, okay, and
Okay,
I am
sir.
not getting any good response from your side. Whenever I'm calling mentors are not responding, okay. I'm having
Yes.
issues with all these things, right? Like I'm not getting appropriate course, okay. Timing are very odd. Mentors are not responding to my course, okay. So
Okay.
I'm asking you to give me refund of my amount. I don't want the course. Take the course from me. I want the refund. That's all. So
Okay.
how will you stop me from this situation?
Okay, sir. You are facing a problem in mentors, and like the what
The
more
first thing
problems
is
in
mentor
mentors?
issue. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Second thing is the timing which you are giving, like in your course duration, that
Okay.
are very odd
Okay.
timings. Okay. I don't
Okay,
like the
sir.
time schedule which you are giving. Okay. Third thing is the lectures which you are giving are in Hindi. Sorry, in English. And I
Okay.
told you to give me lectures in Hindi. Okay. So
Okay,
that
sir.
is the issue, that all the lectures, everything is in English only. Okay. But I asked you that my comfort level is in Hindi. So I want in Hindi. But there is nothing as
Okay.
such in Hindi. Okay. So these three issues I
Okay,
am
sir.
facing, and that is why I want my refund.
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, there are also uh, uh, give us 1 week time, and given 1 week time, I will provide you a mentor which speaks Hindi, and which teaches in Hindi, and will give you special guidance in to your son in Hindi. Or
Okay.
okay, we are having more like any language our mentorship is available. So sorry for your inconvenience that we have not given you in Hindi. We will provide you in Hindi from today on. And second thing, that your timing, what will timing you prefer? What
See,
timing you prefer?
I prefer evening timing from 5 to 6. But your classes are generally 7 to 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At that time, I'm not comfortable studying.
Okay, sir. So, as we got to know, the schools are open and many students are facing problems for having classes from 7 to 8. We are currently changing our time from like in the evening, like 3 to 4 or 3 to 5. So wait for one more week and try this new timing. And if I think you will be suitable in it.
Okay, cool. So